Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like a come with me. I'm about to go get my hair done. I just washed and blow dried it. I'm actually going to get like a quick weave. So that's what we're going today. So this is actually the hair that I'm getting installed. I showed you guys this hair already before, like I washed and dyed it. So this is it dyed black and washed. Really pretty. This hair is from Betterlength. So this is the curly 3B3C hair, if you can see it. Really pretty, looks totally different washed than it did when it came. It's so pretty, but you guys know me. I'll probably get the hair straightened because I love curly hair straightened. Okay, so this is the finished look. I have in all three bundles of 22, but I have layers and it's been cut, so this isn't the true length of the hair. And yeah, I just used the swan curl to achieve these looks. Well, to achieve these curls, as you saw. And yeah, I have a link for Betterlength hair down below if you guys are interested. And Yeah, girl. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.